Hello! In this video, we will make a layout for our control panel, log out with user's profile and add a spinner while user data is loading. Well, let's start. Let's create a components directory in which we'll create a layout directory for our layout component. Let's render the outlet component for now. The outlet component allows you to render child routes if they match the current URL. Let's add the necessary exports. And now let's connect our layout. To do this, we need the root component, to which we pass the path prop with the value of asterisk, and the element prop to which we pass our layout. This way, all child routes will be rendered in our layout component. Now let's move on to layout. Because we do not adhere to any design, we can make absolutely any layout. Further, in order not to waste your time, I will skip the layout process and immediately show the final version that I chose. Feel free, you can make your layout. I chose a 3-block option, a sidebar, which will have a menu, a header, which will have auxiliary elements, and a content block, in which the content of the routes will be rendered. Now, if you didn't follow me and did the layout in one component, I suggest moving the blocks into separate components. In my case, I will create a components directory and init directories for my blocks, content, header, sidebar, and their corresponding components. And we transfer the code to the necessary components. Great, last one for this video, let's add a logout feature. To do this, I'll use the menu component to create a menu for the user's profile. We will also need icons. I will use the React icons package. And I'll take some icon for the profile. Next, let's declare the menu button component as an icon button. Great, now when you click on a profile, we have a drop-down menu. Now let's create the logout method itself. To do this, in our AppContextProvider component, we will create a new logout method, which will reset our state and clear the token field from local storage. Let's update the type. Let's add an object as the third element, which will contain various helper methods. And now we connect our method to the button. Great, now we can log out. But as you noticed, when the page is reloaded, the sign-in page flickers. Let's add a spinner that will be displayed while the user information is loading. To do this, we will use the value app.isLoading, and if it is true, then we will render the spinner. As you can see, for the duration of the request, a spinner is displayed. Small fix, set size LG. In the next video, we will add a light and dark theme switcher. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, leave a comment and like. See you in the next video.